litmus test for any Caribbean cook is the ability to make a good stew. Whether it's a stew chicken, stew beef, stew pigeon peas, it don't really matter. Once you could stew properly, you would automatically earn the respect of your peers and family. The key to a good stew is more in the process than the ingredients. You could vary the ingredients that comprise your stew. Once you have the basics down, you're good to go. And it's all about timing. In this video, I'm going to demystify the process of creating a good stew. Today, we're doing a stew chicken. For this recipe, we need chicken, of course. I have mine seasoned with ginger, garlic, shadow benny, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and black pepper. About a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 bay leaf, a wooden spoon. You also need a heavy iron pot with a round bottom. This helps with the equal dispersion of heat and is key to simmering the food without scorching it. So let's get started. Put your pot on medium to low heat, add the oil. Once the oil starts to get hot, add your brown sugar. Now this is where the importance of the wooden spoon comes into play. You use a metal spoon and half your brown sugar will end up sticking to the spoon. So it's important to use a wooden spoon. So you want to keep stirring it until it starts to get frothy. Now, timing is everything here. As soon as the sugar turns from light brown to dark brown, add your chicken. Keep stirring because you want the pieces of chicken to get an even coating from the caramelized sugar. Once all the pieces are evenly coated, allow the chicken to cook uncovered for about 5 minutes. At this point, cover the pot and allow the chicken to cook on low heat for about 8 minutes. It's very important to not add any liquid at this point. You want to allow the chicken to spring its own liquid and let that, along with the steam action happening in the covered pot, really cook the chicken. This will ensure great flavor in your chicken. After about 8 to 10 minutes, your mixture should have dried down. Now you could deglaze the pot with some liquid. I use about a half a cup of water here, but you could use coconut milk if you want. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. And that is it. Perfect stewed chicken the Caribbean way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a little share, and let me know in the comments below how you like to make your stewed chicken. What's your little tips or tricks. For me, bay leaf is a must, and I like to give it a touch of ruku. I have a lot of different things that I like to add in my stewed chicken to just give it that extra Caribbean flavor. Enjoy.